Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Vanessa Padua. I'm 37 years old. I am from Bagong Sikat, San Mateo, Isabela, Philippines. I'm married and I have one child. She is 15 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, baking, and flower arranging. My expertise are child care and elderly care. I work as a domestic helper in Dubai for 2 years. I serve one couple, 2 children, and 3 teenagers, ages 7, 10, 15, 17, and 21 years old. And also I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 6 years. I serve one couple and 4 members of family, ages 12, 15, 31, and 35 years old. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, washing dishes, ironing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family, and also to build my own business. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like a Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? To my future employer, Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and to finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.